In this video, we will show you how to make a necklace from recycled materials. So we've got 100% recycled materials in here except the thread. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We are involved in slow fashion. We recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Please watch the video until the end so I can inspire you with some combination of the product we've just gonna make. So today I'm going to use this recycled fabric. It's a metal thread fabric combined with something else, I'm not sure. I have recycled this from a belt of another dress. And I am going to recycle this flower. It's a crochet flower made of satin thread and metal thread, which I'm recycling and repurposing it from another project. And because I don't have a lot of materials to involve today, I've just got these two, and I also have got a needle and thread. We use the craft glue and scissors and cutters only. I'm going to position this upside down and slightly on the side, just to, this is my preference, my personal preference, just to make it look a lot more interesting. So this is my latest quick project, which I have used this fabric as a base. I use this flower crochet piece from a different project, so I both repurposed them into this lovely and very unique necklace. Thanks for watching. Stay wonderful and humble.